Hello everyone, welcome to this new video of released online banking script. This is the latest online banking script now, not like the banking script you have had before or the one you are currently using now. This banking script has many features which, if time permits us, I'm going to go into details one by one, user login, back-end login, admin login, transfer process, account creation, and all that. This latest online banking script is the online banking script you don't want to miss. It has all the features online banking websites should have. So here, this header that is like this because of this logo that was supposed to be like this, which the logo is changed from admin. You can change the logo from admin. Everything you are seeing here is editable from admin section. All you need to do is connect the database, which the installation guide is already detailed, is already in this script when you are going to buy it, when you are going to purchase it. All you need is, after uploading your SQL, go to the admin section, change the domain name there to your own domain name, and anywhere the domain name, the default domain name is on this script, it will all change to your own domain. Look at it here. From admin, you can change logo. You don't need to start going into the script trying to find a way to change a logo. All you need to is just log into your admin, upload your logo, and it will reflect on the website. As you can see, here is some pages on the site. You don't need to start editing it one by one. It has language selector. You don't need to start editing all these pages one by one. Once you change the domain name, anywhere the default domain is stated or appears on this script will be changed automatically with your own domain name you replaced from admin section. So this small icon here is sign up, where user can sign up. Let's look at the login page. And this particular script has KYC verification, whereby after user have signed up, creating an account by his or herself, when the user tries to log in, the bank will have to ask for details like passport, ID card. You will choose the particular ID card that you want to upload. You upload the front and back. It will walk you through in verifying your account, making sure that is a real human that is trying to create an account on the platform. And after creating the account, the account goes on review, where admin will have to go to the admin section, see all the documents you have uploaded, then and approve your account for you to approve the review, the documents in which you have provided, to make sure that it's real person that is signing up. Then you can be able to log in freely without anything. In this script, it has SMS feature. All you need is your Twilio SMS API, and you are good to go. In the installation guide, everything is detailed. Even how to connect the SMS is detailed there. So, because of time, I would want us to first look at the create account page. Then we sign up with already created account in the database. So look at it here. Look at all the things the bank is going to ask you to sign up: your email, your phone number, your country, the account type. As you can see, we have investment, we have corporate, we have non-resident, we have business, we have crypto, we have current, and all that. Password, I agree. Then you submit. Once you submit, you will still have to log in order for you to review your account, provide some necessary document that will be asked that the bank will ask you to provide. So let me quickly sign in and show you how the dashboard looks like. Here is the dashboard, and not only that, if you are signing in, to ask you for PIN, which this PIN you are going to provide it. We call it transaction PIN. You also provide it when trying to sign in or making transfer. And not only that, this script has all the necessary codes required for transfer, COT, IMF, and tax, and all that. Remember, any video I posted, I used to say that this video is for educational purpose. It's for educational purpose. Any abuse on this script, I beg, you will not be held responsible for it. Go and answer for yourself. But this script is for educational purpose. It's for learning. So, you as a developer, you as an individual, want to learn how to create an online banking website, maybe because of your project. This is the script that you need. You don't even need to, all you need to follow the installation guide, and you are good to go. And it works on any cPanel of your choice. This one is not like the one you will buy. They will tell you go and use this specific hosting. But any hosting you use at all goes for this script. And again, it does not show Google red page. Nothing like Google deceptive when using this script. If you have this script, you are free from anything Google deceptive. It doesn't turn red page at all. It doesn't turn like that. So let me provide the PIN. Then let's see how the dashboard looks like. Let's see how the dashboard looks like. And the email that comes from this bank, it comes automatically on any transaction that you are making. And when the email is coming, it does not go to the spam. It does not go to spam. It goes to direct to inbox. Direct inbox email. You understand? And you don't even need any stress to set up the SMTP. You just through the SQL, change the email there, the existing email there, and provide your own domain support email and password. Then your domain name.com, the port is already set for you, and you are good to go. So it's logging in. My network is a bit slow, but it is going to log in now. Let's see how the dashboard looks like. Then we are going to do some 1 or 2 transactions. And also, this bank, in terms you want to credit a user or debit a user, but you don't want the particular date of the credit or debit to be the particular date, the very date you are making the transaction. You can manipulate it. You can change the date. You can even start from 2000, and you can even start from 1984. You can even start from 1990. It depends on what or how you want to test run this script. Please don't forget, try and subscribe on this channel. I always say, subscribe on this channel. Click on the notification button so that anytime I post a video, you will be able to get the notification, come online, watch, and know how you are going to go about it. So look at, here is the user dashboard. As you can see, the profile picture is very clear. Look at the user dashboard. Transaction limit. Here you can change it to any limit that you want it to, but I placed it on 500,000. Pending transaction. If there is any transaction that you made that is still pending, it will show you, the amount will show you. Transaction volume, meaning the balance, your available balance. Look at it here. This is funded by admin. Is mobile responsive. Look at it here. If the status, the transaction went successfully, it will show the status here. The type of the transaction, either whether transfer, whether debit, whether credit, it shows here. So let's look at the local transfer. Look at the local transfer, the interface of the local transfer. This bank is responsive on all devices. Is responsive, not only on laptop. You can use it mobile phone and all that. So it is mobile responsive for you to use. So look at here is the local transfer interface. So let's go to, because of time, here is international transfer. International transfer. In this bank now, you can set the COT to work for transfer. You can set TAS to work for transfer. You can set IMF to work for transfer. You can also enable OTP to work for transfer. You can even decide to disable COT one by one. Not that if you disable COT, IMF will not work or TAS will not work. No, it doesn't work that way. You can disable it, each and every one of them. You can decide to disable only IMF. It works. Then you want COT and TAS to work. You can decide to disable COT and you want TAS and IMF to work. You can just decide to disable the three of them. They have their own separate buttons from admin. So here is the international transfer interface. So I will still come back and make a transfer. So here is deposit. In this deposit section, the only two is activated here: bank transfer and Bitcoin. But the striking part is that it has Stripe, it has Ethereum, it has USDT. All these are enabled with just a click on button on enable or disable from admin section. From admin section, you can enable all these ones. You can even disable these two and enable USDT, Ethereum from admin section. So look at loan request. Look at loan request. A user can request a loan here, and once you request, look at the type of loan facilities that you have to you may need to apply for: personal home loan, joint loan, and all that, automobile. Then how many months? You can choose the months you want, the duration of the loan. Then purchase of loan, you choose the monthly net income. What is your income for the month? You don't understand? You can choose it from here. Then you send request. Here is loan history. Here is loan history, where you see the history of the loan you have applied so far. The history of the loan you have applied so far. So I want to also show you. How the settings looks like before I can log into the admin section. This script is just the best. It's just what you need for your next project. I'm not going to tell you like this script is what you need for your next project. You understand? And it's affordable. It's affordable for most of you that have bought my previous scripts. I believe that you are still enjoying it. You can still come and upgrade to this particular one and save yourself from the stress of even if you are an individual, or maybe you are not conversant with the web development, we can still build for you. Any website at all, business websites, online banking, courier, BTC, and all that. Not you don't just come and upload to sell script. No, we also build for you from scratch. Then send you login for you to start using for yourself. So check the loan history here. Support ticket, and this support ticket is working. You can submit ticket, and admin will get a notification that of the ticket you submitted, and you can choose the priority of the ticket. Is it down, medium, high, or low? How it depends the one you choose, so that it will give the admin of the site the concern that this ticket is on a high priority, so that it will be attended to quickly. So here is the settings. Here is the settings for user end. Here is where you upload your profile picture. In case the one you uploaded you don't like it, you want to change it, here is where you change it. Change transaction pin. Here is where you change your transaction pin. In case the one you are using before you don't like it, you want to reset it, you can change it from this place. So this online banking script is what you need, and it's very simple to install. The installation guide is already there for you. The how to connect it to SMS and it will work perfectly is already there for you. All you need to do is get a cPanel hosting, upload it, follow the installation guide, and install. It will not give you. And another striking part of this script is that this dashboard CSS now You don't need to manipulate the code before you can change it. You can just log